Hello friends. Welcome back to TESTOFF channel. The correct answer will be shown 10 seconds after the question. You can pause the video if this time is not enough for you. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below the video. Subscribe to TESTOFF channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. I know they disturbed you when you were working. Stand up. Let's go there. Are his achievements mentioned? Don't worry. I won't let you down. This approach is imperfect. His achievements were outstanding, weren't they? They recovered at last, didn't they? He said that he didn't teach English. They shouldn't be trusted. He can't help you at the moment, can he?